Okay. Is that visible to you?
Yes, sir.
Value? Okay. So the writer goes this way. Before shifting the instrument, you have to take a foresight. Okay. Before shifting the stuff, you have to take a backside. Okay. So the profile is something like this. So you set your instrument somewhere like this. Okay. Some point. And then this is your line of sight. This is your line of sight. Okay. Now this is your point. This is your first point, 0.505. Then the second point, it comes like this. This is your second point. This is 1.215. Now what I know is the benchmark, this is 100. Suppose I say that this is 0.000. Okay. Right. Now, what is the level of this line of sight? This is the line of collimation. This is, what is line of collimation? What is line of collimation? Line of collimation is the line joining the optical center of the object, not objective, eyepiece, and the intersection of the crosshair and the extension of it. What is axis of telescope? Line joining. Line joining. Respond, please. Line joining. Am I audible?
Eyepiece, right?
Line joining the axis of
Objective and eyepiece.
optical center of objective and optical center of eyepiece. They are not one and the same. The condition is when the bubble remaining at the center for all 360 degree of rotation, the line of sight generates a horizontal plane perpendicular to the vertical axis. So against this horizontal plane, when you are holding a scale and you are taking a reading, the difference between the reading gives you that relative elevation. Okay. So now this is 100. I read it as 0.505. What is the height of collimation? So height of collimation is 100.505. Is it not? Line of collimation is 100 point, because I know the elevation of this point. I'm holding a scale over there. I'm reading the backside of 0.505. So line of collimation is a height of 100.505. So formula is height of collimation is equal to RL plus BS. RL plus BS. I think the BS is RL plus BS. Height of collimation is equal to RL plus BS. Get it? And write it again. Height of collimation equal to RL plus BS. Okay. Did you get it? Right. Now, this is at a height of 1.215. What is this level? So RL is equal to, next RL is equal to 100.505 minus of 1.215. How much is that? 0, 9, 1, 10, 3, 5, 99.290. So this is 99.290. Is that okay for you? Do you understand? This is a very important concept. I am ready to repeat it any number of times. So RL of this point, okay, RL of this point, not this point. You are reading the scale, the value is 1.215. So RL of the point, next point is that, okay. So finally you have come to this place, 1.615. So it is just dropping like this. So you got a 1.615. So what is RL of that? RL of that is equal to 100.505 minus 1.615. So it is 0, 917, 15, 2, 90, 98. So this point is 98.890. Okay, now how will you do the problem in a fast way? I will tell you. This is the problem what I have written. No? Is that okay? No? Very good. Right. Now you tell me, what is height of collimation, the first one? It is 100.505. You get it? Because height of collimation equal to RL plus BS. So this is the benchmark. So height of collimation is, this is 100.505. Do you get that point, all of you? So this is your point A, B, C. That is not visible. Okay. Now what is the RL of this point? Point A. I put it here. This is point A. What is RL of the point? RL equal to HE minus IS or FS. Intermediate side or back side. So 100.505 minus 1.215, 0. So RL of this is 99.290. 99.290. You get it? Right. Next point, it is 1.815. No, 1.815. So 100.505 minus 1.815, 0, 9, 1, 10, 9, 6, 2, 98. So 98.690. You get it? How I got it? 100.505 is the height of collimation. Then 1.815 I am reading at point B. So 100.505 minus 1.815, the scale reading, I get it. The third point, 100.505, 3.290. 315 0 9 1 10 4 4 1 5 97. So it is 97.190. 97.190. You get it? Okay. Now what happened? Up to this you are reading it. So you get a sort of instrument. I just draw it here. You got an instrument. You have read that on one side of it. All these things. This is 1 point. How much is it? This is 100.505. Okay. So this finally what you have done is you have read it against a scale at one point where the reading is 1.615. So what is the RL of this point? 100.505 minus 1.615. 0, 9, 1, 10, 7, 8, 15, 2, 98.890. 98.890. After this, you are holding the staff. You are going to a place and you are shifting the instrument somewhere and a place. You are keeping an instrument like this. Okay, the same stuff, you are reading like this. This is 1.215. So what is the RL of this point? It is 98. RL of this point is 98.890. Now what is the line of collimation? What is the line of collimation? Did you get the point? What is the line of collimation?
98.890 plus 1.215.
1.215. Okay, what is it? 98.890. 1.215. 5, 0. This is 100.105. Okay. So you are holding a scale. What is minus 1.215? Suppose there is a canopy over there. Then I am holding a scale in a reverse fashion. I am just, this is minus 1.21. Do you get the point? The reverse, you are turning upside down and you are registering as minus 1.115. So what is that? You are up to this is can I rub this? Oh, I made a mistake, guys. You have not corrected me. This should be entered over here. 99.290, 98.690, 97.190, 98.890. So what is new this thing? 98.890 plus 1.215. So it is 100.105. So new height of collimation is 100.105 100.105 minus plus 1.215 23 101. So what is that? 101.320. What is the corresponding to this 100.105? 2.515 0 97.590. So 100.105.815 99.190. What is the next this thing corresponding to this? 100.105 minus 1.615 0 98.490. Do you get that? So what is the new height of collimation? New height of collimation? (98.490) plus 1.315. 99.805. So 99.805 115. 99.805 1.715. Okay. Now that completes our work. Now what I suggest you is add all your backside. All your backside. How much is that? 5, 10, 15. 2, 3. Am I right? 1.720, 1.735, 2.35, 3.035. Okay? Am I right? Respond, boys.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Huh? I'm adding all my backside. All my backside. 5, 5, 10, 10, 15, 2, 3, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 5, 0, 1, 2, 3. Add all your four sides. 5, 15, 2, 3, 4. 4. 13, 90. Okay. Is it okay? The sum of sigma BS, sigma BS, sigma FS, right? find out what is the difference between first RL and last RL. First RL difference, last RL. What is the first RL? 100. Isn't it? First RL is 100. Last RL is 98.090. What is the difference, boys? Calculate and tell me.
1.910.
1.910. What is the difference between sigma BS and sigma FS?
1.910.
So that is what is called a arithmetic check. This is what is called a arithmetic check. So when you are reduced this, the table, the formula says sigma of BS difference sigma of FS, sigma of BS, okay, sigma of BS difference equal to first RL difference last RL. Okay, this is what is called a arithmetic check. This is what is called a arithmetic check. Is okay? Is it okay for you? So this method is called a height of collimation method of reducing the value. Height of collimation of reducing the value. Okay. All of you taken down this in your notebook or wherever it is, because I am not, from now on, I am not going to give you any PowerPoint anything, because this is the board which I am teaching you. If you got any doubt, you have to ask me. So this is last RL, first RL difference last RL. This is what is called arithmetic check. This is what is called a arithmetic check. Can I rub it out, or whole thing? Yeah. Now, the same problem we are doing it in a different way. It's called the rise and the fall method. When you compare 0.505 and 1.215, we get a rise or a fall. When the reading rises, it is a fall. When a reading decreases, it is a rise. You get the point? Right. So 0.1505 and 1.215. Is it a fall or a rise?
Fall.
Fall. How much is the fall? 1.215 minus 505. 0.710. So you just write it 0.710 here. Okay. 1.215 and 1.815, is that a rise or a fall?
Fall.
Fall. So 1.815, 1.215, how much is the fall? 0.6. So 0.6 is the fall. 1.815 and 3.315, rise or a fall?
Fall.
How much is the fall? Fall is 1.500. Okay. Right? Okay. 3.315 and 1.615, is that a rise or a fall?
Rise.
Rise. How much is the rise? 1.615.
1.3.
1.7.
3. Yes.
Is okay up to this? Right? Right. RL equal to okay, previous RL plus or minus rise or a fall. Second RL, first RL, second RL equal to previous RL plus or minus rise or a fall. So first RL is 100. What is the second RL? If it is a fall, you subtract. If it is a rise, you add it up. Okay. So 100, it is 0.710 to 90. $99.290. Okay. Right. The previous problem also you get the same answer. Check it out because I rubbed it. I rubbed that. So 100.505, 1.215. Okay, the same answer you got it. So find out what is the RL of the next point corresponding to 1.815.
$98.690.
Very good. What is the next one?
97.190.
97, huh? Okay. What is the next one?
98.890.
Is it okay? Do you understand this? Right? Now compare this BS with this. Is that the right or a false?
Fall.
How come? Minus. Minus.
So it's not seen. On the screen minus is not seen.
1.215 plus 1.215. How much is that? Go by your judgment and tell me, brother.
The previous reading minus next reading.
So minus of minus now. You have to tell me. So that's why I'm waiting this.
So 98.890 plus, sorry, 2.430. You have to add.
So what is it? It's a rise of how much?
Rise.
Rise of how much?
Of 2.430.
So 2.430. So 98.890, 2.430, how much is that?
103 point, sorry, 101 point, 102.210.
101.320. 101.320. What is the previous value? Just find out now. Okay. Now between this and this,
It's a false.
how much? Am I right?
Yes, sir. Minus will. Yeah.
Now we find out all of that. So 101.320, 101.320, 3.720. 97.6. Not between this and this. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Between this and this. Fall. Fall. How much is the fall? 0.8 is the fall.
0.82.
Yeah. So how much is this? 98.5. Between this and this, fall. How much is the fall? 0.4. So how much is the RL? 98.100. What is the first problem? How much is the last RL? Do you remember? Okay. Now what I do is sigma BS and sigma FS, add this one, add this one, add a rise, add a fall. Okay. Find out sigma rise, difference sigma fall equal to sigma BS, sigma FS equal to first RL difference last RL. So this is the way level field book you can reduce it. So add BS full, add FS full, find out the difference, add rise full, add fall full, find out the difference. That should be equal to first RL difference last RL. In the height of collimation method, the error is not cumulative, whereas in a rise and fall method, somewhere you make a mistake, the error gets cumulative. So whether you have booked your reading correct or not, this can be verified using what is called a, what is it? What is called a arithmetic check. Is that okay? Right. Fine. How about the examination? How was the examination? No, I've corrected and given you. See, you are supposed to take up a question paper and then find out how is it.
Sir, some of them had some doubts regarding the paper, sir.
And I'll come back. What is the schema evaluation? I'll tell you. Then we'll go.
Okay, sir.
So this is the question paper, is it? This is the question paper. Are you able to see the question paper? That's
No,
one, right?
sir.
Huh? This
No,
is the
sir.
question paper. Huh?
So no.
It's not seen.
Not seen. Huh?
So can you stop sharing once and then again share it, sir?
Sir.
Now is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. Now the first 8 questions are